Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you this combination of two generative AI tools that I use in my work that I think are both pretty close to magic, and I think they're just cool and I wanted to show them to you. The first one's the Bing Image Creator. So sometimes I use Image Creator to create some thumbnails and header images for blog posts or YouTube videos. So that's what I was going to do today. And I told Bing I wanted to create an image of a robot searching for aviation information because I kind of tied in with a video and post that I was doing. And it came up with these four options. I thought they were both pretty cool. Now, one thing that is not so cool about these images as they're generated is they're always square. And of course, when you're doing a header image, you want it to be more than square. So I use a different tool to fix that. So the first thing I'll do is download this, and that'll go into my downloads folder. And I downloaded it once before, but let me pull up the one that I just downloaded, this one. I'm going to open this in Photoshop. And now I have my square image, and it looks nice. I like it. What I don't like is that it's square, right? So I'm going to go into Image and adjust the canvas size, and I'd rather have that at 1920 by 1024, so I'll extend it. But now I have these letter boxes on the side that are in white, but I'm going to fix that. So what I'll do is just select the area. Oh, that's not quite right. Let me select the full area. So let me get right to the top and right to the bottom corner. And then I'm going to use Generative Fill, and I'm going to give it an instruction to say, extend the room to this area. And I'll click Generate. And then Photoshop's going to look at what's in the image right now and try to imagine what would have been on the left if the image was made that big. So it's stuck in a lamp and the rest of the desk and some of the books that were missing. So I think that looks pretty cool. And let me go to the other side and do the exact same thing. I'm going to Generative Fill, and I'll say extend the room to this area. And I'll see what it fills on the right. And that looks pretty good. I can see a little bit of a hairline there, but that's pretty good, really. And for my purposes, doing a thumbnail on a YouTube video, I think that looks pretty awesome. So pretty cool. I thought you'd enjoy seeing that. I really enjoy using it. Take care.